Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the C constant. In a C programming language, a constant is similar to the variable. In the previous lecture, we had discussed what is the variable and what are the types of the variable. So friend, what is the variable? Variable means where you can store the value in the program. That means variable is a placeholder of the on the memory, but the constant hold only one value during the program execution. That means once a value is assigned to the constant, that value cannot be changed during the program execution. Once the value is assigned to the constant, it fixed throughout the program. That is, the value of the constant is cannot be changed during the program. A constant can be defined as follows. A constant is a memory location which holds only one value throughout the program execution. In a C programming language, a constant can be of any data type like integer, floating point, character, string, double, etc. So friend, constant refer to fixed value that do not change during the execution of the program. So friend, the C support several type of constant. The first type is an integer constant. An integer constant refer to the sequence of digits. An integer constant can refer to a sequence of digits. An integer constant can be a decimal integer or octal integer or hexadecimal integer. A decimal integer value is specified as a direct integer value, whereas octal integer value is prefixed with small o, and hexadecimal value is prefixed with capital OX. That means how to recognize it is decimal value, it is octal value, or it is hexadecimal value. The decimal value is simple combination of 0 to 9 digit. Then octal number, octal integer. How to recognize the octal integer or octal value? The value which is prefixed with small o is called as the octal number. And hexadecimal number. Here hexadecimal number recognized with capital OX. So an integer constant can also be unsigned type of integer constant or long type of integer constant. The unsigned integer constant value is suffixed with small u, and long integer constant value is suffixed with L, whereas unsigned long integer constant value is suffixed with UL. Unsigned long constant value is suffixed with UL. You remember that. For example, suppose there is a value 25. 25 is the decimal integer constant because it is the combination of the digit. Now here O76. So this is the octal integer constant. Here OX3A. It is the hexadecimal integer constant. Now 50U. U is nothing but the unsigned integer constant. Now 30L. This is the long integer constant, and 100 UL. This is the unsigned long integer constant. So now friends, the next type is the floating point constant. A floating point, that means real number. Floating point constant is nothing but the real number, and a floating point constant must be contain both integer as well as decimal part. The integer number are inadequate to represent the quantities that is very continuously, such as the distance, height, temperature, price, and so on. So these quantities are represented by the number containing the fractional part. That is, suppose for example 17.2, 18.9, such a number are called as the real number or real constant, or we say that the floating point constant. So friend, when a floating point constant is represented in the exponent form, the value must be suffixed with small e or capital E. For example, suppose the floating point value is 3.14. is represented in the form of exponential form. So we write this value is like that, 3e dash 14 in the exponent form. This is the floating point constant. Now next and third type is a character constant. This a character constant is a symbol enclosed in a single quotation. Note that a single character constant or simple character constant contain a single character enclosed within the pair of single quotation mark. A character constant has maximum length of one character. You note that a character constant has a maximum length of one character. Now, for example, suppose a in between single quotation mark, 2 is between the single quotation mark, plus is between the single quotation mark. In a C programming language, there are some predefined character constant called as the escape sequences. Every escape sequence has its own special functionality, and every escape sequence is predefined with the slash, backslash. So these escape sequence are used in the output function called printf function. So these escape sequence are used in a printf statement. So these are the single character constant. Single character constant is enclosed within the single quotation mark. Now next type is the string constant. A string constant is a sequence of character enclosed in a double quotation mark. A string constant is a collection of characters, digits, special symbols and escape sequences that are enclosed in a double quotation mark. We define a string constant in a single line as follows. Suppose this is a BTech master class. This is a BTech mark class. So this string is enclosed within the double quotation mark. So we can also define the string constant by separating it with the white spaces as follows. This is a string, plus is also a string, plus BTech mark class is also a string. So all about three define a same string constant. So this is the string constant. Now friend, we see that how to create the constant in a C. How to create the constant in a C. In a C programming language, the constant can be created using two concepts. The first one is using the const keyword. When we use define the constant, then we use the const keyword. And if second way is that using hash defined preprocessor. Now we see how to declare constant using const keyword. Using the const keyword, we create the constant of any data type using the const keyword. So to create the constant, we prefix the variable declaration with the const keyword. So in the general syntax for creating the constant using const keyword is as follows. Here is the const is the keyword, data type which variable of which data type, here data type is mentioned, and here is the constant name. And second way is that we directly assign the value to that particular constant variable. Const data type constant name equal to value. This is the syntax of creating a constant value using the const keyword. For example, suppose const int x equal to 10. That means we can declare a variable x of integer type, and it is the constant integer type, and the value is 10. The 10 value is throughout the program. Here x is an integer constant with fixed value 10. For example, suppose here we can see the constant using the program. Suppose I include the stdio.h, I include the header file conio.h. Now in the main function, I declare a variable I of integer type and assign 9 value to it. Then I declare a integer variable x which is constant. So const int x equal to 10. Here I declare two variable. This is the variable declaration statement. Now here I assign the value I equal to 15 and x equal to 100. So it creates the error because the constant value cannot be changed. It is fixed value. So we cannot assign the another value to that particular constant. So it will be give the error. The above program give an error because we are trying to change the constant variable value, and that cannot be changed. And second way is that using the hash defined preprocessor we can create the constant. We can also create the constant using hash defined preprocessor directive. When we create the constant using this preprocessor directive, it must be defined at the beginning of the program, because all the preprocessor directive must be written before the global declaration. Note that all the preprocessor directive must be written before the global declaration of the variable. Now friend, we can see the following syntax how to create the constant using hash defined preprocessor directive. So friend, this is the syntax. Hash define, here is the constant name and here is the value of that particular constant. For example, hash define pi, pi 3.14. In general, the value of the pi is 3.14. So pi is the constant with the value 3.14. For example, suppose here I include the header file. Now here I include the another header file conio.h, console input output file. Then I define the constant using hash define. Hash define hash define pi 3.14 void main. Here this program is used to calculate the this program is for write a program to calculating the area of the circle. How to calculate the area of the circle? We know the formula pi r square. So here first when we use that variable, before using that variable we declare that variable first. So integer r and area. So printf, please enter the radius of the circle. Scanf %d comma ampersand r. With the help of the keyboard input output statement, through the keyboard we can take the value of the radius r. Now area equal to pi. Here where pi is the preprocessor directive and which is used for the constant. So what is the value of that pi? 3.14. So here 3.14 into r into r. So whatever you enter the value of the r which is multiplied here with pi and calculate the area of the circle, and here we print the area of the circle. Area of the circle equal to %d double quotation mark comma area. So friend, these are the two way with the help of that two way we can create the constant using const keyword or using the hash defined preprocessor directive. Hope you have to understand the today's lecture. If you have any query, then contact me. Thank you friend.